Not everybody is cut out to become a billionaire AI grifter, but the next best thing is landing a stable, high-paying job doing some honest software engineering work. But will those jobs even exist in 2026? Unfortunately, the good old days of 2023 don't seem like they're coming back. After the 2023 tech pullback and the rise of AI coding tools that followed, the amount of job openings on Indeed for software engineers have not regained their original glory. But this ominous-looking chart doesn't tell the full story. On a more positive note, the Bureau of Labor Statistics is still forecasting 15% software development job growth through 2034. In addition, back in September, a major change to the H-1B program might be good news or bad news depending on who you are. If you weren't lucky enough to be born in the United States, you'll now have a $100,000 fee to apply for an H-1B visa, and that makes it far more difficult for US-based tech companies to hire cheap labor from overseas. The good news, though, is that despite what the optimist will tell you, AI coding tools are still nowhere close to replacing human engineers, and I have zero fears that that's going to change in 2026. In fact, all the vibe-coded slop out there is creating a whole new class of jobs called code janitors, who need to clean up all the garbage code created by these AI tools. But where is AI itself headed? Everybody knows we're in a bubble with valuations that make zero sense, but the question is, are we at the peak of this bubble, or are we still another decade away from the peak? I'd argue that we still have at least a few more years to keep this hype cycle alive. It's pretty obvious now that LLMs as a technology have plateaued and are not actually intelligent.